Hi everyone, I'm Bill, creator of Bunzee. Bunzee is AI-powered team project platform. Today I will show you how Bunzee helps you turn any idea into real project, from AI analysis to project creation and team collaboration. These sessions focus on the AI analysis feature. After login, click the AI analysis button above. Let's assume I think I can make money for building some learning assistant application for university students using AI. Because AI is future, but I don't know what to build and I have no idea on it. Then enter simple your idea here. Like me, an AI learning assistant application for university students. Here you can configure your analysis according to your purpose. The X and Y axes are used in competitive map drawing. They determine how you view competitive product in various aspects in AI report. We provide 4 sets for each dimensions. Feel free to adjust them to meet your need. Next, you can select different countries. For example, Argentina, Australia, and United States. We provide 28 countries in total, so you can select as many as you want to compare market and competition. Finally, you can also apply filters such as popular only or gaming to narrow down the most relevant result. This session goes with default setting. Once all configurations are done, hit the submit button here. The whole process takes about 1 minute. Bunzee.AI scan and compare similar product and service, group them by concept, and highlight the key insight. The report contains 3 main parts. First part is item specification. The first part defines your idea in detail. It analyzes your intention and recommends a basic project structure, including suggest app, and key target customer, and features, and team composition. Second part is business framework. The second part breaks your idea down using business framework from value proposition canvas to persona analysis across 5 structures view. Let's take a look at each section. Value proposition canvas, SWOT, strength to opportunity and threat. Business model canvas, AARR analysis from acquisition to referral, persona analysis. Final part is competitive analysis. The final part maps your idea against global competitors. Depending on the X and Y axis you said earlier, you can see which services are similar in different views. Your idea are located on the map. Being close means very similar to your idea in terms of the concept, while bigger size indicate higher popularity. If you click near a product, it shows a submarine, regioning, and similar score. You can scroll down to see more detail about the product. In the detail section, you can check popularity score and brief descriptions and the direct link and screenshot. And you also can check which country loves this application. After all analysis is done, you can share your report by URL or upload this report on X or Facebook, LinkedIn, or export this report to PDF. When report is done, report is sent to your email. I show you my email report. So this is email report sent to my account email. So you can open fully on your items. This is a quick look at how you can validate and research about your breakthrough ideas with Bunzee. You are making it easier than ever to turn ideas into actions. Thanks for watching and try Bunzee right now.